I seen you on Netflix.
Oh yeah, probably. Netflix though?
Or maybe it was Amazon.
Probably Amazon.
This guy, see how focused he is with the motorcycle next to him. Phone down. Oh, he didn't like that. What you watching, Pornhub? Fucking ding-dongs. What is that thing? What is that? Is that a scooter? I don't know what that is. A bike's a bike though, right? Hey man, I give him props. It's got to be on two wheels. Yo, that thing looks kind of intense. I don't really know what it is. I think it's a scooter with like a sport bike tank. Yo, I seen this guy on Netflix, believe it or not. We're gonna go chat with him. This car is, it's like a Nissan Xterra, and this dude chases tornadoes, I'm pretty sure for a living. I wanna go check this thing out. I've seen it before, but never on film. I seen you on Netflix.
Oh yeah, probably. Netflix though?
Or maybe it was Amazon.
Probably Amazon.
About like the storm chasing stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen it. I saw this, it's an Xterra, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen it on there and I watched it or whatever, but.
Cool, man. Yeah. I didn't bother getting it on Netflix, man. It's too, for the money it costs to place it on there. Like
So you actually put it on Amazon? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. I don't know how any of that stuff works.
Oh, it's a process, but
is it?
Yeah.
How much does it cost?
Cost me about
$5,000?
No, not really. That, God, I can't even remember. think it was close to a G. Like, it was just a matter of like you gotta get it like all closed caption and shit. You know.
Because they have to approve it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, this thing's, do you do it for like a living?
Storm chasing?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay.
Storm chasing is an expense, if anything, man. Like, for real. Like,
yeah.
I'm an RN in the ICU at Stanford. That's my day job.
Oh, okay.
No, this is an expense, bro. Like, I don't fucking, I wish I made money, but.
Yo, this thing's crazy, man.
Thanks, dude.
What, is that Rhino line?
Line X.
Line X?
Yeah.
Can I look in there?
Oh, yeah, go ahead, bro.
Yo, this thing's crazy.
I actually just added that camera mount this year. So I got a bigger camera than a way better camera that I wish.
So you put like a DSLR on there?
No, it's like an actual like cinema camera now.
Oh, really?
It's a nice one. I wish I had
Holy
that
crap,
filmed,
dude.
When I filmed it, but
Wow.
yeah, it does the job. I've been doing all sorts of last minute fixing shit today, man. I actually just I think this year will be good.
This thing's crazy, man. I'm not like, this is like a legit storm chasing car.
Built exactly for it. Got all the little knickknacks and shit. I actually just ordered some custom headlights. These has to wire up, bro.
So what is like the biggest tornado you've ever filmed?
Biggest or well?
Have you been in a tornado?
In?
Yeah.
No, not in.
Oh.
Not like, well.
Is that a dumb question? I don't know.
Technically, I guess we were. It wasn't in this car. I drove my wife's Kia through a little. I didn't try. I mean, it just kind of happened. Like all of a sudden, like we felt some kind of, you know.
Yeah.
It was really windy, and then we saw some dust flying, and up above us was some swirlers. Like, holy shit, that really just happened.
Yeah.
But no,
good.
Hey, that's what's up.
Hey, you be safe at the hospital, dude.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Likewise. Be safe, pal.
See you later, man. So it was Amazon. I thought it was Netflix, but yeah, I definitely watched it because I like the storm chasing shit is awesome. That dude was pretty cool though. Rev it up!
How much you want?
Rev it up, bro. Let it, bro. He said, how much you want? All of it? Kind of scared me a little bit. I thought he'd get scared. He was fearless. Alright, who did this? Where's the culprit? Huh? Where you at? Out here drinking Guinness. Where you at? It's kind of random. There's nothing around here. I don't know why there's a random Guinness sitting out. I'll be the good Samaritan today. Oh, there he is. There's the culprit. Psych. Gotcha, bitch. Alright, you guys. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's getting dark out. And I got some good seat time in today. New brakes on the Ducati. Done. Checked off the list. Or new pads, I should say. Yeah. But until next time, be safe. Don't get the corona.